Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CIVIC Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, easy profits trading, 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos, all of that on Telegram application. Okay, you just join and everything will be set automatically for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see what are we going to do with CIVIC. So we are getting a symmetrical triangle right here for CIVIC, and there is a chance to break down, of course, or to break above. And you will tell me, Bill, yeah, of course we know that it can either go up or down. So tell us what is going to happen. Of course, I'm here to tell you what is probably going to happen, and let's see right now the case. We are on the top trend line. We are going to correct a little bit over the next hours, okay, and maybe on the next 1 to 2 days, depending on Bitcoin as well, because I think Bitcoin will be going to 48 to 50,000 Tether USD. But at the end of the day, what we want to do is to now go there instead of having a fake out, because Bitcoin might be going a little bit down and then to the 48k, or just with a higher high, higher low pattern to the 4850k. Anyway, therefore for CIVIC, this should be the top right here. We should be going down probably towards the 0.25 to 26, I would say 26 actually. And let's see some support levels right here, starting the fib from this bottom to this top right there. Okay, so you can see that we have some important support levels, the 0.27 and the 0.2646. We might be going there by the end of the March, and then April might be very, very good, except if we break above in the next 2 days. All right, it depends on Bitcoin right now. CIVIC against Bitcoin will be correcting. We have a very high risk with the commodity channel index right there. You can see we broke above. We had a nice breakout right here, but it isn't enough yet. Okay. And we should see probably a little bit of a correction going on over the next few days to few hours. You can see we have a very high risk with the RSI as well. So it is very possible for CIVIC to be correcting a little bit and to be going down right now. Okay, so therefore we are going to the 4-hour frame to find the next targets for CIVIC. So we are going probably to correct as we talked about. What are the next support levels and when you should be buying? Of course, none of these are financial advices. That's my personal humble opinion right there. Anyway, we are going right now to see what are we going to do. Potentially 0.2785, 0.2721, and so on and so on, 0.2656, and we are moving even further down. But I think we are going to hold the bottom trend line, and we are not going to fall down from the 0.2656 around there. Okay, but the most probable scenario right now is to correct. If you want to buy, I do not think this is a good idea for now. If you want some quick trade, some quick profit trade there, I think you should be holding back a little bit. Okay, do not buy actually right now. This is just my opinion right there. And let's see a little bit the weekly frame to discuss a little bit what is the most probable scenario to happen. So for CIVIC, as we talked about, we have a higher low, lower high pattern right here. We have a symmetrical triangle, and we want to see what is the most probable scenario for CIVIC. The most probable scenario, I think, for the next few weeks is to be breaking above. So I would say that after having this symmetrical triangle, what we will do is two things. Either I'm just going to redraw it. Okay, so you can see the top trend line. It is a little bit biased. All the bottom and top trend lines are a little bit biased. But anyway, the most probable scenario right here is that either we have a fake out to the bottom, which means that many short positions will be taken, but they will get crushed, so we get higher. Or what we are going to do is after we fall a little bit down, we found a support level again, and we go all the way upwards, retesting probably the bottom trend line or this top trend line right here. Okay, and then we go all the way higher and higher again. So this is what is going to happen with CIVIC. I feel like the most probable scenario is to go higher, is to get even higher, but at the same time, I have to respect that Bitcoin might be having a more correction going on, and therefore we might be losing this bottom trend line, but this will be just for the short term, because I think this will be a fake out and we won't be going down. Instead, we will be having so much buying pressure, and we are going even higher. For the time being though, if you want to be more certain about your price targets, if you want to secure that you are not making any mistake, you should be waiting for this breakout on the top trend line. And of course, I feel like one of the most important resistance levels is the 0.2972. If we close above, we can go to the next price target, the 0.3280 to 81. Okay. Yes, we can manage to go there, and of course you should be waiting for this price line right here. We need to close above. Right now you can see that we are following the top trend line right here, and it is very hard today to be closing above the 0.2972. I do not feel like we are going to do that. Instead, in the next hours, I feel like we are going just to correct to go down, but do not worry about that. The next week looks promising, and I feel like the Bitcoin is looking promising as well to give us more buying pressure, not for only CIVIC, but for many other altcoins right there. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.